How's it going, guys? So today, let's go ahead and do a recap for the day. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, today was, I guess you guys will see as I once we do this recap. Looks like today was an easy day, but for some reason, I just personally could not understand it. I don't know why, and hopefully that doesn't happen tomorrow as well. But that did put a little dent on my confidence. If I'm being honest with you guys. So today is Tuesday, so we're gonna use Monday's low and Monday's high. Okay, Monday's high. Okay, Monday's low. Okay, so let's go to 4 hour. Okay, Monday's low, Monday's high, right there. Okay, okay. So, of course, this is all played up on the morning when I opened the when I was looking at trade this morning. All this hadn't happened. It was just this order block. The market came back to. I want to see if it was going to push the market up, but as you guys can see, it didn't. 15 minute. So one thing that's crazy is because it's clear what the intention was for today. The market just wanted to dump. It is pretty clear about that. But for some reason, I just couldn't, grasp why I made stupid mistakes today in the market and why I just couldn't find a good trade because they were good set. Look at this dump. Let's see. This is almost 813 ticks. Literally, this all stopped at 9:45. So that's why I'm confused at like what stupid mistake did I make. At the same time, we can't see this, upward trend to the upside. So this was over here. Let's go to the 2 minute. Okay, so this is the 2 minute. As we can see, we had this breaker structure to the upside. The market came back to this order block over here. At first, the market tapped in, pushed up, took out the high. So I was expecting a continuation, but that's not what the market had in store. As you can see, the market came back, tapped in again, pushed up, couldn't take out the high. So we knew this high was too strong. There were so many sales you were pushing the market down. So then we came out to take out these low, and then overall, of course, take out the overall low. So this was a strong low that was taken out over here. Okay. So now after that happened, right, I was expecting the market to push down and give us a retracement or something. But the market didn't give us any retracement. The only thing I'm seeing is the market, grab liquidity off this candle right here and then continue to push down and grab off this one. Yeah, and just keep pushing back down. On the 1 minute, on the 1 minute, so we saw this, right? I was expecting the market to come back up, at least give us a big or some good retracement. I know I got in a trade here, but I panicked when I saw this candle go up because I was like, what's going on? Maybe I got in too early, so got the trade and the market just dumped. But what we can see from over here was I wasn't patient enough. That's what I'm getting from this. I wasn't patient enough and I probably was risking too much. That's probably one of the reasons why. If not, I should have held this position and waited for an outcome. But, you know, let my fear take a I let my fear take a hold of me, which is something we cannot do if we want to become professional when we do this and take this to the next level. So as we can see, we did get a retracement. I was just stupid not to see it and get into the trade. So the market comes back and then pushes all the way down. And guess what? After that, no more retracement. So anyone getting in here now would have to be. You need to have some cojones because anytime you get in market, you can just turn around and revolve. I guess the best way to get an entry would have gone really super low risk, maybe like 1 micro, 50 cent a tick and just kind of hope. At the same time, even if we did get in over here, let's say we didn't want to miss out on this action, we did get in here. Okay, so small. Okay, yeah, let's say we got in right here. Okay, right there for 369 ticks. Let me do the math. Okay, calculator. So 0.50 times 369. That was still would have been $184 with 1 micro, which is 50 cent per tick. So we would have made some money. I was just being stupid enough not to pay attention, and I have to put more effort into the market. I need to be more, what's it called? I need to be more focused when I'm trading the market. So that's something I have to start implementing. But after that happened, right? Of course, we're starting to expect a bigger retracement, so we can take a short. Because after this move, I made up my mind. I was like, okay, so the market does want to short it. I just need to find an entry. So I was expecting a 50% retracement, any kind of retracement. At least I need at least a 50% retracement, but I didn't get that. So that definitely played a what's it called role into this. Now, just by looking at this already play out, right? What I can see is we come now, take out Monday's low, and I'm seeing two different patterns on here because from over here, I can see all of these. Okay, yep, I can see all of these. Okay, I can also see this, and I can also see this that just I guess form. As you can see, that the trend down. um, it is super crazy because I mean, this is on the 1 minute. I mean, of course you were taking scalps in here, but I mean, if you just by looking at the trend, we push up to the upside, right? After we push up, I thought the market was going to bounce from here, which the market did do just for a little bit. Market bounced from over here. It wasn't enough momentum to take out the high, turn around, a short push down, took out the slow. And what happened? We went over again. We didn't respect this order block to see if anything happens. So the market comes back, takes out this order block again. So it kind of gives you like we still want to go retrace higher than push back down, but that's not what's happening. So break of structure happens right there. Let me draw this out so you guys can see it. Yeah. So we see the market come out and take out this high over here, and you think the market's going to come back to retest this order block over here to see if the market wants to keep pushing higher. See this? Yep, it does resist this. See, so the market comes, taps in here, right? Pushes up a little bit, doesn't have enough momentum to take that out, then turns around, then comes out, takes out the slow, push back down, order block is retested, we push down again, we still didn't take out this high. Then for some reason, the market found some stupid momentum again. It's like I'm mad at the market. I really am frustrated. I was frustrated today, if I'm being honest with you. And days like that, it's good to have your own valid daily loss intact because days like this can really push you over the edge. And that's something I was lucky today, and I'm not gonna get. I don't. I'm not always gonna get lucky. So I'm trying to make sure I don't make that stupid mistake again because my goal is to protect my capital. But so break of structure happened. Okay, the market pushed up, comes back down. Then we take out this low, right? So we have a break of structure over here. Okay, we have a break of structure with the wicks, right? So with the wicks, we have to wait to see what kind of reaction we get. We don't get any reaction here. If anything, the market takes this out. Okay, so the market takes this out. This order block doesn't hold over here. We break down, and as you can see, the market starts rallying. And for me, these are all just stupid price action that are pissing me off just by just recapping all of this. But let's go ahead and take this one off. So yeah, it's just one of those situations where I mean the market then comes down to break the structure over here, right? Then pushes all the way to downside. But over here, structures like this, I just hate because the market just wanted to chop. That's what I'm getting from here. Like the market didn't want to pick a direction, just wanted to chop and take people's money. Fucking, oh my god! But so I mean, fine, we get a couple of readjustment. Order block is respected over there. The market continued to push down. Same thing happened again over here. Order block is respected. Oh, it's not even respected, but we did get a 50% retracement. So there we go, 50% retracement, and it continued push back down. Now this should have been a good trade, but at the same time, this is almost at 2 p.m. I mean, except you're trading in the afternoon session, then you'd really be focused into this. But I wasn't. I think I was doing something else. Then we had to break a structure. Okay, so break a structure over there. Okay, break a structure to the upside. There was no foundation to this, so this is just a weak break a structure. It doesn't matter. Then guess what? The market does come back, doesn't respect this, and just flushes all the way down. So I mean, this is pretty much what happened today. Like I said, for some people made a lot of money today, but for me, for some reason, I just couldn't understand the market. Please don't make the same mistake I do. Once you get frustrated, get out the market because you remember you want to stay away from emotional hijack. And I was able to feel myself almost getting close to that point. But we ended up the day a couple $100, 200 bucks, 150, $200 down for the day, which isn't bad. But I just don't want to make that mistake anymore. I hope you guys like the recap. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.